Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm starting this video off going food shopping. Not sure I might tag you along or I'll just do a grocery haul. I might do a grocery haul. Just so that way I could be quick in the grocery store. Well, I'm going to BJ's, so I gotta get milk. I gotta get all the important stuff. And I might stop by in Dollar Tree because, guys, I've been searching and looking for this Valentine's Day tree. My friend, my kid's godmother, she got one from Dollar Tree, and I was like, OMG, like that's the freaking cutest thing. I'm sorry guys that I'm shaking. Got you on the car mount, so it's gonna be shaky. But yeah, that tree, guys, is freaking amazing. It's so cute, and I would like to get it not for my house, but for like my job, my office, like for the office. I would love to get it for there. I think it would look so cute. We had a little tiny Christmas tree that I got for Christmas, and I took it down, and when I saw that she had that tree, I was like, oh my god, it would look so cute there. So it's that and this cup, TikTok cup that, or jar or something, that it comes like with the little heart top on it. It's really cute. Can't find any of that. Can't find it. I was super excited to see that, guys. But anyways, I am almost here in BJ's, and I am, you know what, I'm gonna go to Dollar Tree first and then BJ's.
What's it like to be the one that he turns to when he's out of answers? What's it like to be the one that he comes to when he wants to dance? And I wonder.
Okay guys, I finished in Dollar Tree. They really didn't have much. As you saw, the shelves were empty. I put back those little trees that I got, because as I was walking around, like, my idea was to like get like little hearts and hang them on, because those are Easter trees. And when I opened it, they had like, I thought it was just like a white tree and you just, you know, decorate it, but no, they had like these glittery, no, not glittery, sorry, metallic string to it. Like, they were metallic. It was a metallic tree, so it wouldn't go well with the Valentine's theme that I was going for, so I put them back.
What's the lie? I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like ever.
Okay guys, so I finished at BJ's. Now I'm gonna be heading home, and I will show you guys my grocery haul. See you there. Okay guys, I came back. So here goes the grocery haul. Didn't get much, just got what we needed. So I needed some ground meats. Probably make some burgers or maybe some meatballs today. I got a 2-pack butter. The other butter's in the fridge. Had to come home, guys, to make my baby his food. He was hungry. Got some Oreo cookies, my fave. I didn't need a pancake syrup, but they had a coupon. If I get both of these, I get $5 off. So I got both of those. But the pancake mix I really needed. My coffee creamer. And with my coffee creamer, I started buying this one recently. But it is so good. I pair this with my Java coffee. Hands down, let me tell you, it's the bomb. Like, hands down, made my life so easy, so simple. So Javi sponsored this part of the video. And if you have not seen how I made my Javi coffee, please check out my video that I'm going to post right here. Check out that video. Yeah. Javi's coffee is amazing. And thanks to them, they're giving my followers a 20% off on their purchase, guys. So if you have not got yours, please go get yours. It's in the description box. Please click the link below and you'll get, I mean, they got different flavors. If you see my video that I linked up, please go check it out. They have different flavors and they are all amazing. So please go check them out, and also check on the video on how I made my Javi's coffee. Hands down the best. And look, cold or hot, guys. But back to the haul, guys. So I also got my sofrito. I got 2 of them because these go really fast. Because I put them on my meat, I put them on my rice, I put them on anything. Onions, I was running low on onions, so I got a bag of onions. My Goya beans, I got pink beans and red beans. Didn't have, so I had to get that. My bacon, I usually do turkey bacon, but for some reason I was just craving like original bacon. So I got that, and also some sausage. And this is the drinks that we drink, the tea. We love iced tea. If we run out of our original drinks, we, like, for example, apple juice, or let's say if I get ginger ale or like their waters that I bought recently, if they finish with that, there's nothing left. This is like more for like emergencies, like if we don't have anything but water, even though we're supposed to be drinking water, but hey, this is our backup, baby. And some whipped cream for all our delicious treats, especially for our coffee. It is hands down the best. So I also ran out of barbecue. They use barbecue in my house for everything. They put it on everything and anything. Insane. Also got some cucumbers. Love cucumbers, so I ran out of that. I needed that for my salad. I didn't get rice. It's just on my table for now. So I got a head of lettuce. I usually get the big pack of lettuce, but I'm the only one who eats lettuce here, and I did not want it to go to waste, so I just got that small pack. Now I just get them like that. A pack of bananas. Don't know why I turned it around, but yes, a pack of bananas. I had to get flour because of my pizza. I ran out of flour. If you want me to do a video on how I make my pizza, which I think I do have a video of how I make my pizza, but if you want to learn yourself how to make a homemade pizza, let me know. Also, our yogurt. This is the yogurt that we buy. And the bread. So that's... Oh, and also I got a milk, but my daughter put it in the fridge already. But yes, guys. So let's get this all put away. But before I do, I'm going to go clean that refrigerator. Let's go see how that refrigerator is looking.
Every day, don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I've got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. What's it like to hold his hand when he tells you that you're all he wants? And it's midnight, oh, I'm thinking about him. I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name, and I'm running out of time. I wish you felt the same, and I'm acting stupid like every day. Don't know what to do or what I should say, 'cause I have got him on my mind, but he doesn't know my name. I wanna hold his hand, 'cause I can't stop thinking about him. And would he understand if I told him how I feel about him? Oh, 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 It ain't about fame, it ain't about fake friends. And screw your ex, is such a flake. Forget your grades, you need a break. You, it's all about you, no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. It ain't about money, it ain't about the coolest job. It's about having fun and love the ones that makes you shine. You, it's all about you, no matter what the others say. But now I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I'm done talking, the lights on me. I tell you, I guarantee this night's about to take a turn for the better. Now the rain is pouring and all I see is lightning around my feet. Now nothing can bring me down. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance. I just wanna dance till my heart goes la la la. I just wanna dance.
Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you. All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us and we could stay up all night, kissing dancing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you, be with you, be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you, let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, I wanna be with you, be with you.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get